Free traffic is the most expensive thing in dropshipping, and I know that sounds backwards, so let me explain. Right now, somewhere a beginner is filming his third TikTok video of the day for a store that hasn't made a sale yet. They are doing exactly what they are taught because everyone teaching organic dropshipping says the same thing. Post every day, stay consistent, and one day, one video will eventually blow up. And look, that advice isn't a lie. Videos do blow up, and some stores genuinely take off that way. But nobody who gives that advice ever tells you that those free videos are actually costing you, because the price isn't in money. It is paid with the most expensive thing in your life, time. In case you are new here, I'm Toval. I run a 6-figure Google dropshipping store, and it gets sales every single day without me posting any content for it. So I'm not guessing about whether there is another way. I'm running it. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what free traffic really costs. Because I'm going to price it properly with simple math. You can check yourself. And I promise you that the number is bigger than you think. So stick around for it. Let's dive in. I would like to start by being fair to organic because it's popular for a completely rational reason. Most people who start dropshipping don't have an ad budget. So when someone says you will need money for ads, that's a locked door. But when someone says just post videos for free and let one blow up, that's an open door. And of course, you walk through the open one. And the promise gets sweeter than that because organic has jackpot stories. Everybody has seen the screenshot of a store that went from nothing to thousands of orders because one video hit millions of views. Those stories are real, and that's exactly what makes this path so hard to think clearly about, because here is what is actually being sold to you in that moment. It's not a marketing method, it's a ticket. You post the video, the algorithm decides, maybe today is your day, but the ticket isn't free, just because nobody charged your card. So let's take a deep look at the TikTok platform you are actually handing over your video every time you post. Because once you see the machine from the inside, the jackpot stories start looking very different. From the inside, organic dropshipping looks like this. You film a video, you edit it, you write the caption, and you post it. Then an algorithm you can't see and can't talk to decides whether anybody on earth gets shown your video. Most videos are not shown to anybody, and that's not because you did something wrong. It's because that's how the system is built. A feed only has so many slots, and millions of videos are competing for them every hour. So you post again and again, hoping to beat those odds. And the people teaching organic dropshipping will tell you that's fine, because every video is another ticket and you only need one to hit. But here is the part that took me a long time to see. Even when you win, you haven't built anything. A viral video spikes, the orders come in for a few days, and then the feed moves on, because feeds always move on, and next week you are back at zero filming again, because yesterday's video doesn't sell today. Whatever happened last month, the counter resets to zero, and the machine asks what you have posted today. And that's the real difference between organic and every form of traffic that compounds. It's not that organic can't work, because it can. It's that it never stays worked. You don't finish, you just keep feeding it. So the honest question isn't whether organic is free, because we have seen it isn't. The honest question is what you are feeding the machine with. And that's where I want to show you the actual price, because we can price this properly with numbers you can check on your own. Say a single TikTok takes you 1 hour And honestly, that's generous once you count finding the idea, filming it, editing it, and posting it. And the people teaching this say 3 videos a day. So that's 3 hours every day, 7 days a week. That is 21 hours a week. And over a month, that's around 90 hours, which is more than 2 full working weeks of your life handed to an algorithm that owes you nothing back. And here is the question that changed how I think about this whole model. If somebody offered you a marketing channel and said the price is 90 hours a month, results are not guaranteed, would you call the channel free? Because that's the actual offer. It's just never written down like that. So free traffic isn't free. You are paying in hours, and time is the most expensive currency you own. Because unlike money, you can't earn more of it. But hold on, because I can already hear the reply. Google ad costs actual money, and money is exactly what most beginners don't have. And that's a fair point. So let's deal with it honestly, because this is where the comparison gets interesting. Here is the thing about the Google side that surprises people. The work is completely different in shape because it's front-loaded. On Google, you do the heavy work once. You find the product people are already searching for, you build the store, you write your product titles the way people actually search, and you get your store approved. Amongst other things, that setup is most of the job. And depending on your pace, it's a few weekends of work, not a daily forever task. And once it's live, your product listing sits in front of people who are typing what you sell into a search bar this month, next month, and the month after. You are not feeding an algorithm anymore. The same work keeps standing because nobody gets bored of a search result. People still search for products they need, and you are there at the point of their need. But there is one gate between you and all of that, and it's the exact place where beginners lose the most time. Before Google shows your product to anybody, it checks whether your store looks like a real business. And amongst other things, that means real contact details, proper policy pages, no fake promotions, and product data that matches your store pages exactly. Get it wrong and you are stuck at the door, burning weeks. And those lost weeks are the exact reason I built my own tool, because I got tired of checking that list manually on my stores. It is called passgmc.com. You simply drop your store URL in it. It checks your store against the same trust signals Google checks, and it hands you the list of what to fix before you ever apply for your GMC to be approved. The link is in the description below, and the scan is free. And on the money question, yes, Google Ads needs a real budget. But notice what you are actually choosing between. One path charges you 90 hours a month forever, and the other charges you money you can start small with, pointed at people who already want what you sell. Neither one is free. You are just choosing which currency you would rather pay in, and that's the whole decision. So let's make it concrete for you. If you genuinely have no money at all, organic is a real option, and I'm not going to knock it. Some people do it and win, but make use of it with your eyes open, because you are not getting free marketing. You are taking a job that pays in lottery tickets, and if you are going to do it, treat it like a filmmaker, because that's the actual skill you are signing up to practice every day. But if you can start with even a small budget, and you will rather build something that stays built, then stop buying tickets and start building a position. Find the product people already search for, set up your store properly, get approved, and let the searches come to you day after day, whether you posted anything or not. So remember it this way: viral traffic is rented luck. Search traffic is owned ground. And if that second path sounds like yours, watch this one next, because paid ads on Meta are the other option everybody compares, and I break down exactly when each platform wins. Your hours are the budget, spend them like money. And as always, let AI do the heavy lifting while you do the living. See you in the next one.